so that people who couldn't make it can also join us. So say hi to everyone. Hi. So I'm going to leave it running and then move it to the room when we present. So so they know that it's happening. But I said just want to make sure people knew.
That's nice of you.
Yeah. So this is what they see in case you're wondering.
Welcome.
Yeah. All right.
So
we'll wait for food.
Can you tell if you have an audience?
I think I can actually. In the corner, I should say. Well, I need to maximize it so that I can see one viewer. I don't know who that. Hi, one viewer. Let's see. I think that's a chat. I can.
We should connect the Google Home so it can send over to the chat, right?
What?
That would be funny. I don't know if we can get the home connected or not, because we had an experience with the Wi-Fi. However, it was a mobile hotspot, but it didn't work for us today. I think I tried connecting my assistant to your mobile.
Are you guys not on Teams?
I'm on AIMS employee, and so if you can't get internet, I can put you on employee if guests won't work.
Yeah, we might have to use the mobile hotspot for demos because I brought my Google Home Mini, but it's like I can't connect to the internet. So
That's the problem I have too. You have to.
but at least that's free, so it's not like live stream. I don't want to use a mobile hotspot to live stream.
It might not be cool.
Yeah, that will be too involved.
I'm just kind of waiting on the pizza, I guess.
Oh, Eden, did you or maybe Jen, actually someone was participating remotely, so she said she sent in a video. Just want to make sure you received it.
No, I got one from someone named Drew.
Okay, yeah, let me see.
I'll check my email.
Yeah, just to make sure we have that queued up.
I think that.
That's much better, the infrastructure and less about.
Oh, I see. I have one. Drew Lane, I have a submission.
Okay, so we need to make sure we play her video.
Yeah. And is that the right person?
She uses an alias when she communicates with me.
If it's speak talk.
She uses
Oh, okay.
but she's Sky Tuna.
Okay, then that is the same person.
Okay, great. All right, so
That's the only submission I got via email.
that's great that we got someone participating.
Yes, we will definitely include that. And I'm looking through, I'll make sure I look through my whole week of email. We started the 7 days ago. What my messages?
You have a bigger obviously, it's kind of very
I think I was fine, but I don't see that.
we did networking. We actually created on Facebook for yes.
Pizza.
Oh, hey, I know you from last week.
That's right.
Good to see you.
Yeah, again.
It's too bad we can't live stream the pizza because there's one.
That would be a next level of technology.
Yeah. And feel free to take home leftovers too, guys. This time we only have one receipt because I forgot the company credit card, so this will be easy.
Okay, good. I know how to handle multiple receipts. There was something just the way things printed up. Just,
And it's like,
It makes less opportunity for.
but yeah, this is the simplest, straightforward one time. So I threw in some plates and cups.
Thanks to watch the action.
Yeah. You bet.
You too. Awesome. So come help yourselves to pizza and soda. And then I suppose we can probably get started whenever we want. Maybe 10 minutes of pizza, you think? To get
Sure.
started? And then
Yeah.
10, 15. Yes!
Oh, something's working.
That's a good reason to have a little extra time too. We got some success over there. All right. I love it when it's like, yay! Yay! All right, I look forward to it. Down the meeting. Okay. Since he brought plates.
Yay. I don't know where the prize pool is, but I brought not one
It's
but
on the desk in my room.
It's just for some reason, the two messages come in, it only shows the first. Like, it says, like, okay, let's get a test version, and then it's all messages not show. But all of this, all that shows up here in this display. And it also just right. I just use speed to remember this.
I know it's speed in the moment.
it was our little shrine
Right,
for the
yeah, I
prizes.
think it's
So,
got our prices set up and then we can do demos.
to have people watch us get pizza.
Yes, you can just pour it out and dig in, and there's only a couple places. That's she okay? Oh, oh, you were there. Your key card falling. Yeah, key card.
Yeah, it's enough past the. I'm not swollen.
But you're still eating like share. I had mine dead. I remember that. It was so humble. So I'm sorry for
How many people are watching?
I know what.
Oh, one viewer.
Yeah. So, even if it has bugs. Bugs is okay because we have the score sheet. So we'll use the grading score sheet. I'm excited that it's actually.
I know.
Me too. It always.
And 1 week is not a long time, so that I think like the way in the is pretty good. So that's more like 2 days. There you go. Yeah.
What are people's projects? What are people's projects?
So, I didn't do my one. But it does anyways. The project that I did.
made a GitHub bot, so you can like talk to GitHub, get stuff like that as well.
You just notifications that is where you said people want to get access to that.
Got things like any pull requests from the repository, any issues, public subscription.
So the main thing you gotta do.
Well, any public one, like you have to authenticate.
Yeah, so I got this schedule working. That was like the main problem I had.
So it's public.
Yeah, it's just all employees. Yeah, I have no idea how to like authenticate or
That sounds complicated.
Yeah, yeah,
I will respect you my token.
yeah.
I will not.
Well, so there's like a section on actions for people where you can input like menu. And the idea I think is that it calls your OAuth service and gets an access token or so you can authenticate against your server. But I wasn't about to like set up my own. So I just put in so you have like a gift interface and it gives you an OAuth client ID and an OAuth client. Put that in instead. Hoping that it would go to GitHub and authorize, change that token, use it as a user, but nothing happened. So that was my last shot.
You get these things you have to reserve for your bot, which is and I use people who have user on your repository. So these little characters are.
I mean, can you create? I thought that's kind of what an application.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Yeah. So I didn't set up this issue.
So I have more space.
I didn't set up the CIS off the website.
Oh, that's fair. There's definitely CIS.
So I thought like what I could do is I could find an ACT's liquid gray. So you ask for like all that's kind of user. And we'll like have like all these things there. So I can store that access code in.
Well,
Where?
we've had less education than what I know. So
We're just talking to dialogue.
So Firebase does, they will store a user. So you can access,
because it slowly got incremental.
if you get a, if you ask questions to the user, or access
I also think
from them and sort that out. I've done it with,
I just think if you're talking about
I need to help with that. Because I'm going to say something on the story.
you're doing something, so it's fairly straightforward. And you have to use the actions for join API and the dialog below.
Music!
I consider it
So I just think creating new users.
So you just have to switch from using. So there's two APIs. The dialog flow is really minimal. It has way less features. This design to be generic, so work on it. Since we're just doing stuff for assistant actions only, it's not as fun.
Well, that's why we have a hackathon. Sorry.
So you're saying that I can create an action on second. Try and add an action. So it reroutes me.
I'm using dialog flow, but I use actions on Google. And that works well.
What do you mean by action?
So they have their Node.js framework for actions. It's called an action. Dialog flow interact with that just fine. It's the same. API just has more functions and more stuff.
So excuse my terrible ability. Alright, so I've been using the dialog. That's what but you're saying that so I can't do the conversation.
Oh, you put some food in it. Oh, that was nice of you. Oh, well, now we have a lot. I keep a big bag of plates and cups. I have to try this time. All right. It's always good. I have impromptu meetups, so I always have little giveaways, cups.
Yeah.
You have the name tags. I need to put some. Yeah, I bought some for GCG folder, so it's smart. That's such a good one. There. And so the station has sound.
So the user rate.
Oh. That would be important for demoing.
Yeah, so,
Yeah.
and I probably had sound last time, but I did all this. No, computers just know.
What would they recommend you do?
They sense, they're like pets and children. They sensed I was nervous. Well, horses too. You're in the show ring and they are like feeling nervous. So just sit down. And you practice all summer and then you do that in the show. So computers know. Tonight it's like, oh, you're nice and relaxed.
So what is it, right? So right, so website, right? So we get so that it passes in kind of give you like
Did you guys get enough pizza? Feel free to take it in because I have so much extra. And this time I think I will
Last week
about the same amount.
I don't know. Last week we had college for kids, and there was just
Lots of pizza.
they were how much they had. I think it was 45 pizzas a day. They've got
40.
250 kids.
This must be
big.
That's what's big. I don't know.
Because they rent you.
Oh, they have. I know. Some of them have. I know one section at one campus is it's like I'm more.
There might be other
So I
better
don't
ways
know
to do
these
it.
people that's
If you're current.
But only driving. They deserve to
Plus,
try.
kids. It's summertime too. Kids in summer are a little bit different. Kids
Yeah, you're not there. Normal school teachers and don't have the same.
and they have that. I can be up kind of mentality. So
Yeah, I'm so excited about not doing that on the actually show up.
we have a lot of shows. So I was out there the entire time. And whenever the kids got rowdy, they call me. And I just stand in the back of the classroom.
That was yeah, I'm lucky because being a computer one, I get a lot of students who want to be inside of the computer. And I just let them play Roblox or whatever they wanted to. So a lot of them knew each other. But I give them a few activities myself that I'm supposed to learn. So I give them a working activity and if they would write that.
There's two. So there's still just
I have a quiet order.
I wanted to just watch. Yeah, he was autistic.
I get somewhat about trying to computer because it's actually. I got a lot of. I made them learn a little bit. I made them work in the
Important updates.
I know.
Yeah.
Always very important. That will get probably in
about 20 minutes. Got a 20-minute window. And with adults, you have about 12. Just kidding. That's my intent. With adults like Eden, you get a whole hour, but not everybody's like you didn't
Oh, I
have
don't
a whole hour of attention.
What is a second?
It's about right. And so the ideal activity for children is summer.
Okay, then.
Yeah, and so I've got.
So-
When you're using this,
So I do get a prompt object, but whenever I check whether there's a previous store ID, it's never there.
so how have you been interacting with it?
I tried the accelerator. Yeah.
So with the simulator,
Oh, that's
it's
cool.
working for me. So
Yeah, so I've been using either simulator or the actual thing. Like, well, the simulator doesn't work, so I tried the actual thing.
and I wasn't saying you can't use dialogue code. Dialogue code is fine. I'm saying that this actions on Google Library, there's multiple things you can use instead of this, but this one lets you do most.
So I am doing the thing that.
Yeah, that's
It's not the problem.
yeah, what you have is right.
So yeah, basically the welcome intent, I was trying to see if you have been here, meaning that I already saw a unique ID, but this always returns false, so I'm always creating that.
I have two. It's exactly like that.
So maybe it's like some permissions. It could be I have to set up a user to steps and slide this is big.
Maybe, but in the simulator, I didn't actually.
Because this is also not my personal account, it's like a special account I set up just for this project.
Yeah.
So it could be just accept something. Maybe the user doesn't accept.
So what does this unique ID? Minimum 2 years of working experience per profile.
So January. And I can give it a previous, I give it actions. So it's actions dash.
I'm fairly close to my
Lot of places. Chain reaction. All these new users get generated every time. But every time we're like, hey, storage. We have a user.
all the street well, it lets you continually access it within the same conversation that it stays.
Yes. But see the same conversation as for one side, like goodbye, close it, and I come back.
That's what talk about data is supposed to do.
Exactly.
Yeah, you poor thing. I get it. So I guess now.
So every time you keep saying your address, every time you come back, which is not ideal. I wanted to make sure.
Well, it always, so it's always asking you what the register voting is.
Well, yeah, but I haven't changed my code yet because it always is empty. Because I was going to change it so that if the ID is not empty, then I'll just fetch. Because basically what happens if you come back to the thing, it stores the election, upcoming election data in here. So I need your user ID to look it up. But if I don't have a user ID, then
So let me grab, because my project is actually a lot of stored users, and I don't remember. Let me grab my Firebase and see if
we can also compare just like the user submission.
Because it's just the user.
There's this user ID property, but it's deprecated.
I know, because that would be perfect, but I'm like, fine, it's deprecated, I won't use it.
And there was something similar people were using on Android for a while, but it's similarly deprecated.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's going to help, but I won't hurt.
Fine. Yeah, how's work? You know? Yeah, exactly. See, you know one of the plus words. Like if I have a code person. My phone's using angry.
I'm one month only 5 days.
I was using it as a tutorial that
I'm used to rant.
These ones
Yeah. Being around just the non-computer people gets very. That's what's so awesome about this. That's why you think other people really do it.
Those like asking something.
I don't have a spouse, but I have a reputation.
So I did something dumb. And because I was very
not looking.
Have you tried making it so it outputs a message whenever it creates a new ID just to make sure it's
Yes, I've done lots, console log, like, all the things.
it does it every time.
Yeah, basically I log account user storage and it's only just like empty.
I'm way better at like, okay, here's how if someone hands me.
Also try not seeing the welcome intent, like send anyone, just see if there's
And I when I went into school, I thought I.
So later it does within the same conversation. So at least the average
That's true. Graphics on Android, not hard to see. I am fighting. I'll sit there for like an hour writing it like really slow. This box is not as funny. You worked with have you ever put Illustrator before? No.
Oh, you can use it with matches?
You worked with
So this is a good action.
Yeah.
This is on.
Yeah, I've done it on Android, but I just love it.
Okay, and it works, but it's not working. Because Firebase is what is storing it.
Yeah, so like on
It's the Google Action. Okay, that's the common storage. You're storing in Firebase.
but I need the user to keep the file.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think you can do Firebase on
You can.
If you can, then now I should go down that route. Right now, I thought
Understands.
So,
there's a file they can, but not even. So I want this because I already have an app. I don't need like what 60. Well, I mean, it's nice because people don't want to not.
So that makes me there should be, and I don't know. Actually, give me the projects associated with your device. Have them really optimize so they don't know how to do it.
So start up.
You have to be able to get authorization and racial elimination.
Because clearly it does get the user. I should really maybe some permissions because when I ask people permissions to work, so maybe it's a name one. I can ask for the name permission. That's the only permission I've said. Name and permission.
So we can just ask for the email permission, use the email to
And I remember sure because constantly you can set permissions.
but like it's like having
You don't control.
Yeah, because that's the only one you can see. I'm using
Then I did a job for C#, so the only time I ever.
they don't have
I walked my for it.
I think well, so I just gave up. And I was like, you know, this is good enough for the hackathons. I will ask people something.
And then it was like,
I've exhausted my internet. I couldn't find.
I never.
Very much training in just like a small test project, which just uses user storage to make sure it's persistent. Because you have all this database code and stuff.
That's a good idea.
Something might be being reset somewhere.
implementing it.
Yeah, that doesn't work for voice. Well, maybe I am wrong, but like I was trying to look at the documentation for request for the sliding cover, and it's like we only support surface with the screen, like the angle screen. I didn't try it. Maybe I could actually secretly do some documentation.
It's not even like stuff that it's not knowledge. It's just like understand what work data.
I didn't try yet because so
I suppose I had to learn. So
And they might possibly need to initially type some stuff in after first.
it was before the other right.
Yeah, maybe it's harder, and then after that,
That's what I understood.
I don't know.
yeah, that's
There's
a good.
got to be a way because they're got to be able to recognize this. There has to be a way to do this.
Yeah, I should look into that.
Sorry, I wish I knew how.
No, it's fine. I wasn't expecting a solution. I was just complaining.
No, you're fine.
Yeah,
You're fine.
Alright,
I had my reasons for coming as well.
yeah, that's why I have my support group right here. My pizza buddies and complaint buddies.
How do you know? You usually send them a letter or what? Can't you call them? Does the system know? You know, most companies will give you that information. So do you think we ought to do some presentations here now? Or maybe this is looking at some question. That's okay. No, I identify, and I think it's wrong. It shouldn't take very long.
Actually, Eden, can you help me? Can you move the tripod with the camcorder while I move the computer to the back of the room where there's a plug? So, alright, so let's go. I'll lead. Oh, my phone is here, but I'll come back before it.
Hopefully, our viewer is not getting seasick.
Sorry. But you're actually filming me right now, so that's kind of fun. I can see my own back on the screen, which is pretty funny.
Organizer. Oh, we got a tight space.
All right, maneuver.
It would require nothing of you that it would require nothing of you.
Require nothing of me.
Yeah, and because you come to the
It's like those
meetings, your
carnival
attendance
games
is
where you
super
cannot
low.
touch, you know, the wire cannot touch the frame.
Playing operation.
But there's actual, no actual requirements.
We cleared. Yay! All right. So I think we can be here maybe. Oh, maybe one more row behind. I just want to plug this in because this computer is pretty power hungry, so maybe one more row behind. Yeah, I think I need one. So looks like we're seeing everything. Yeah. So you can plug that in and it will power. Thank you. Okay.
More pizza.
Yeah, then we can zoom in later.
And it's pretty good at doing something, but I think we might be able to help with that if no code comes down.
I made it to use the.
But I also want to have to find and win some prizes, so I'm probably gonna have to do the duck fest over here. Or even she wants to do it with me. I'm a bit older. We can take turns of driving. The little blonde guy was Fisher. He was just.
I want to be nice people actually show up.
They would love to. And that would be like cheeky.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh.
he kind of put out the window, that kid just had a visual spatial mind and kind of exercised it already. All right, so, yeah, we can get a free Miley Cyrus wallpaper.
That's the prize I was hoping for.
Yeah. This is what my neighbors get to hear for the next 2 weeks because someone called the city on it.
And I see the Hollywood sign, it's so crazy.
So there's a party in
So
USA. It's gonna last until my yard is done because you sometimes have to fly home. When I'm trying to code Google Assistant apps, you get to listen to my Cyrus for the week. Bonus! And I don't think my subwoofer is enough to house call, so I think it's just right. My subwoofer is enough to be really annoying, but not enough to get in trouble. So if you want to come dance to party in USA, I would love that. I would hear it. You'll hear it from all my Yeah, what I hope to have tonight is an app that would play that song for us. But I don't think it's amazing. Hey Google, play a song for Hackathon.
pressure and I'm nervous. Cause when the taxi man turned up.
Now I remember.
Yeah, so then I'll set up Wi-Fi with this little guy.
Okay.
So that was a demo.
But
But
I'd like
anyway,
me to try and share my hotspot.
yeah, let's get set up and I'll mute it. So I know the mic is not set.
Let's see, where did Jen put her phone?
Did you go to the mic?
No, I don't. Can you tell me one more time? The mic is not.
The question of the
She
day.
did, she did. She told me it. I know that's a switch here.
And you know, if it was on Wi-Fi, we could ask Google where my phone went.
So silly, you.
Okay, and then the good news is it could not go
What
to
is
far.
your phone look like?
Well, I almost lost my phone because I left it. Do you want me to call you?
Oh, it's hot.
Oh, sure, yeah, it's got, on the back, it's hot pink and it's a gold.
I remember what it was like.
The mic's back on. I turned it back on.
And I stepped into the ladies' room and I went to my car.
I can call you, Jen. If I.
And then I left it on speaker.
Okay.
Well, yeah, okay, so mobile hotspot.
That's for my health class, you're still up on the board.
Yeah, and so we can kind of collaborate to get these presentations together. And yeah, this can be a group effort to get through. There, so I have my hotspot turned on and I might have to go to settings to share. So it's SM if you need the number.
I'm just waiting for this.
And then Wi-Fi sharing on. Yeah. And then I can rename the network.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just.
Hopefully it'll do it.
Yeah, no, it's not that. Okay. Now this does.
I think this will work if it, have you gone through the setup on that one?
At home, yeah. Okay, so
Then I think it. So, I'm just not sure.
I'm gonna connect from my phone first, just to make sure that works.
That's Wi-Fi sharing.
And you do have one more.
Allow
Okay,
all
wait.
devices to.
Yeah, we'll just put it. Yeah.
Oh, and yeah, so it Everett's on it too. We have 3 mobile hotspots, so the Wi-Fi goes up.
It seems to be.
Okay, yeah, I see. I did.
Yeah, so that's my phone number.
So I think it's good because this is transmitting to this one, so I need to kind of hear. Yeah, okay, so now I do this other one. Next. It's very exciting, everybody.
Yeah, this is why we love programming so much, right? Because we can't get enough of the problem solving. Yeah.
Connecting to Google Home Mini.
It seems like we're getting, so far so good. We'll cross your fingers now, I'm sitting on my laptop. Blended right in with the chair.
Alright, so I guess we should decide the order of the.
Yeah, so
I also figure out how to like make things show up on the screen.
yeah, so that's another, we do have DotCam, so if you want to do it on the phone, we can fire up DotCam, and that'll show the screen pretty well.
Okay.
And then also this, and then these stupid things are VGA. I don't think there's HDMI on these, so that is a limitation. And so if we have to, we could set a computer up front and get around it. And I brought a Bluetooth speaker, and also an audio cable, so I have a separate speaker.
Yeah, which is kind of convoluted, but since I am live streaming, we could dial in to the live stream, and then other people can present from the computer to the live stream, and we can show the live stream.
That's a good idea. It's like so convoluted. I'm gonna pull up my.
Okay, you go. What's the weather? It works. Okay, Google, louder. Okay, Google, volume 9. I don't know what else should I ask. Okay, Google, what's the time?
7:02.
Oh, that's loud. Okay, I'm gonna mute it and do the mic. Like. That's like Austin Powers and the mic.
There we go. So I have the email for the live stream, or if you want to log into the computer.
So I am going to invite your account from this computer. Lots of setup. So hold on.
My account I always have to spell it unless people are familiar with courses.
So I'll send. Yeah, I'll add your email.
To post link on the meetup page.
Post this link on the meetup page. Good idea. So I will do that.
So it's
Already.
So I'm calling you. So don't answer on the phone. Answer on the computer.
I'm here and answer. There we go.
Right. So who wants to present from their computer? I will need to invite them to this hangout. Is anyone else need to like use the simulator or anything like that?
working through the system on my phone.
What do we need for that? A ground?
Okay, so I think it's okay now. All right, sorry about that. All right, so right now we don't need to show the hangout. It just if someone's presenting, then it's basically we can then dial people in through the hangout. If you want to show your simulator or anything, maybe we don't need it. But it's in. Yeah. No one needs it. Oh, well, we went through that for no reason then. Okay, well, I actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to use it because I actually prepare slides, so I'm going to send it to Jen so she can present what I present. So it's all my setup, really, people. Sorry, setting up my Google Home
If you would like
meeting.
to sign in and present, I have prepared nothing other than I have received an email from a member. So anyone is approved. I am not the only fixture of the stage tonight. I didn't. You saw my app, Party in USA. That's what I was going to write for tonight. So you could. I'm not competing with you to give me points for
Concept. All right.
And it might be negative points, but gotta start somewhere. Yeah, so are we implementing the plan?
So I'm just posting my slides to the meetup. But I'm gonna go last because I'm not even competing. I'm an organizer, but I'm still like I worked on my action. I want to demo it. So I'm gonna demo it anyway.
I have a demo I could play on YouTube for our email participants. If you'd like, should we start there?
We could, yeah.
Okay, and then since we're all familiar with GDG, I think we're okay. Everybody familiar with community guidelines and feel comfortable with what GDG is. And, also, to make myself available to, don't hesitate to contact me because meetups are a great hobby for me, and I have places and I have sometimes funding, and I can sometimes find speakers. So anyone who wants to participate can be an active member of this. I'm just doing this for coders to hang out with and have community over in Northern Colorado. So that being said, let's look at our first hackathon.
Yeah, you need to click share screen on.
Oh, can I share the screen?
Yeah, because that way.
So
The two viewers can also see the screen. Hey!
Where it doesn't show the first message in the simulator, it actually does retrieve it and everything. It's just when you're in phone mode, it gets replaced by the OK contacting your test app message.
Yeah, because that's why I'm demoing with the mini, because it doesn't save
But
it.
if you put it in speaker mode, it works fine in this, which is strange. I don't know why. But
This thing is in beta, they're just not telling us. So yeah, do you know how to do screen share on the?
I do not. So I was setting to wait first. So there is my conversation.
Hi. That's fine. We didn't miss anything.
Yeah, right on.
We're trying to figure out how to do screen share.
And there is Google Group.
Oh, we can. You know what, Jen? Forget about it. I guess. Well, I'll just like
Turn it. I was thinking
we will screen share by
I could
filming the
screen.
screen.
So it looks like
This is so ghetto. Oh my god.
yeah. This is a little bit ghetto. But it looks like we have a very quality submission that would deserve a much clearer presentation. I'll read it out loud. So SkyTuner is a Google action that speaks real-time wind information from various weather stations around Boulder, Colorado. There are currently over a dozen stations in the station list. SkyTuner is primarily intended for members of my hang gliding and paragliding club, but could be used by other pilots as well. And then, as per the judging criteria, what are some obstacles? So one of the obstacles I faced was that the simulator does not play the default welcome. And I was hearing from the audience that this was not an isolated problem. And then that I contacted Google Actions team and they let me know that it's a bug in the current version. Well, that's nice to know for those of us who were struggling with that. And the workaround is to use a real device. And I think I've encountered that too, where I've just given up on the simulator. And I have so many Google Homes and Minis, it's kind of not a thing. But that is frustrating. And then another problem I faced was that I wanted a short pause before the action prompts, so the user could process the information. That's what I was going to say, is there a tag for that? So you can use, I discovered that I could use SSML to add the pause. That is awesome, because maybe that SSML existed all along, but I just now saw those tags starting a couple of weeks ago. I can't wait to play with that. At I/O, they were talking about adding all the different voices that they've added. And wouldn't it be neat if pretty soon we could like control inflection and stuff with the tag language? I don't know if that's right. I would like to. I would love to control the inflection and pausing.
I actually read the docs on their SSML, and I think they might already let you do that.
That is so cool. So you can control the inflection. I know that I'm really enjoying the voices. It's very improved to me. And so let's play the app. I've got a nice YouTube video. Oops, and then
Oh, I just realized that this.
so we might get some feedback loop.
Well, also this camera is flipping, so people who are watching the live stream is seeing a flipped image. I don't know how to make
Maybe
it
we
not
could
flip.
share
So
I don't know.
yeah. Now here on the actual, because it's assuming that it's like filming your face, it's flipping. I hope other people are not seeing it flip.
That causes feedback, but if I do this, so is it line?
Yeah.
And another option.
Should you mute the Hangouts window and then?
Oh, see, Everett, this is why if I ever have a big salary,
I don't know how to. Is there Discord?
You know what? Just hang up, Jen, because we're not even. Because I thought you were screen share. Because I was using it for screen share. So.
Right there, you need to hang up in that window back there. It's open in the background. It's behind your.
Oh, this guy.
Oh, so it's not flipped. Okay, good. It's just when I see it, it's flipped.
Okay,
Good.
so now I can turn up our projector volume.
I think you switched it to a different device.
You're right. That's the Wi-Fi. No, that's the volume.
All right, now that one's muted. You have to.
On mute this one.
Let's get the test version of SkyTuner.
Okay, and then the video gets to have a nice start. Here we go.
Testing mode.
Yeah, so this is someone's submission video. Yeah, she's doing it remotely.
Let's get the test version of SkyTuner.
SkyTuner, which station?
Say the station name or ask for the station list.
Nice.
Okay, here's the station list. Boulder Airport, Copper Mountain, Forecast Discussion, 4 Mile Canyon, Lookout Mountain, Mesa Lab, Netherland, North Boulder, Soaring Forecast, Sugarloaf, Sunshine Canyon, Ward, Wind Center, Winds Aloft. Which one would you like? North Boulder Ridge at 6,500 feet. As of 6:48 p.m. the wind was from the east-southeast at 8 miles per hour, gusting to 11. The temperature was 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Which station? The Boulder-Denver soaring forecast for Friday, June 29, 2018 is excellent. The maximum rate of lift is 1,756 feet per minute. The trigger temperature of 89.4 degrees is expected at 10:30 a.m. and the time of overdevelopment is 3 p.m. The outlook for Saturday is poor. Which station? Winds aloft Boulder. At 9,000 feet the forecast is east-northeast at 13 miles per hour. At 12,000 feet the forecast is southeast at 9 miles per hour. At 18,000 feet the forecast is west at 21 miles per hour. Which station? I love you too, smarty pants. Now get back to work.
Now get back to work.
I know you are. I'm testing you too. No, baby, please don't.
Oh, that's lovely.
That was very, very nice.
Oh.
Very good. I like how the extra Easter egg, of course, and I like that they caught the error as well. They did manage to put that in the demo to see what happens if you tell the app, I don't know. So that was very nice. Okay, so who would like to present next?
Well, look at all the prizes.
Yeah. Yes, we have tons, and remember also.
Oh, we should ask Google for a random number.
We could.
So how many people are presenting?
Yes, and remember you can present
So
concepts.
two. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, Google. Pick a random number from 1 to 4.
Coming right up. 3.
3. All right.
Yeah, do you need any equipment assistance? Probably not for me.
I might want to use the dog cam.
The dot cam, sure. So
You may want to go that way just because the tripod is here.
it might take a second to warm up, and then
Well,
Just so you guys can see what.
it's possible, but it's like that.
yeah, this may take a second to warm up, but not very long.
I don't usually use Google, but
For you, and then to switch back and forth.
So Sherry, have you done or?
I'm gonna do it last. So just because I'm not really competing, I'm organizing.
So how do we switch projector to using it?
Oh, this little.
So remotely, how many people has been done? Remotely, how many candidates has been done the presentation? Remotely, how many guys have?
Oh no, you have to submit a video. So that's what she did. Upload the video to
I haven't uploaded that video.
No, you're in person. So
Okay.
it's just like since she yeah. So she's going. He's doing the same. So we can use that projector. So you put it under, and then we'll show her.
I just need to give demo.
Yeah. Well, and explain what technical difficulty you got into.
And if you're,
things
like
that.
all
Thank you.
code demos, if your demo goes south, you can just do what we all do during presentations and tell us what it's supposed to do.
Yeah, yeah.
Because so many points of this are concepts. So.
Because this is my first time on Google Assistant. I'm
Perfect.
literally
So first time, everybody's first time.
No,
Good company.
really small. Yeah.
Yeah, I love how they put in the music effects and then like any ideas of like right now the one I just feel very
I tried to give it to my app, small music.
Oh,
So, Alright, so my app is.
well, introduce yourself first, okay?
Student here at News.
Very good.
So my action is called "Where's My Stuff." So it's basically it's supposed to help you keep track of things around the house. When you put something away, you can tell it that. So like if you put your wallet away, then you can tell it where you put it, and then later on you're like, "Where's my wallet?" And you put it in the drawer. So that's the idea. So let me talk to "Where's My Stuff." Probably be a lot. So,
Oh yeah, if you want, I have a Bluetooth speaker too.
Check.
Loud.
Is this sitting because we're trying to play audio somewhere?
it doesn't matter. I mean, you can see what it's saying up on the screen.
Yeah, in that bag right at your feet, there's a thing. And the button, the power button's on the
Yeah, but
side.
we got the gadgets that
Oh,
we
then
have
we
to
have
use.
to-
We can-
This one doesn't require anything. I forget it when it comes up on the
So, I know it's Bluetooth.
And I have a sound cable too, so Bluetooth doesn't. You can't grab cable.
It's like half the time we spend just setting up.
And I couldn't believe I could find the sound
Is there a pair
cable. Maybe
button?
there's a pair button. Whoops, that's,
Oh, there it is. There was. That's good.
why is the computer phone using that one?
Well, there's this Bluetooth button here.
There, you found it. Good. All right, where's the stop the music button?
All right, there we go. Now I showed up.
I told you computers just know this sort of thing, and they embarrass you on like pets and children.
Which is like, what Spotify plays on or
Oh.
of course you missed what I said. It was nonsense.
Yeah, and that's
Say that again. Cancel.
you get to start over.
Okay, so there. Now that was eventful. So now it's.
No judging resumes until the person is perfect.
All right, so this does work. It just was.
And this might be a little because it's got low battery, but I have a charge cable as well.
Hopefully it's okay. All right. I do. Where's my stuff?
Okay, let's get the test version of Where's My Stuff? How can I help?
So now I put my coat on the chair.
Where did you put the coat?
On the chair.
Sure, your coat is on the chair. Else?
Right, so I can ask you, where is my coat?
Your coat is on the chair. Anything else I can do?
Put my wallet on the desk.
You put your wallet on the desk. Else?
I lost my wallet. Where is my wallet?
Your wallet is on the desk.
That tells me.
Anything else I can do?
So now I also have to keep track of like multiple family members.
I missed what you said.
That's
Say it
cool.
again.
Well, we got to see your fallback in
What would you like me to do?
Delete the code.
Wow.
Cool.
Poor coat.
Like, that's code in the closet.
Got it. Let's coat is now in the closet.
I put my coat.
Bells?
I put my coat on the chair.
Okay, your coat is on the chair. Bells?
Where is the coat?
You mean Dad's coat or your?
Your ears are perfect.
Your fallback intent is.
Do you mean Dad's coat or your? Your coat is on the chair. Bells?
Where's Dad's coat?
Dad's coat is in the closet.
So what can we tell between
Bells?
people stuff?
That is so cool.
And I'm not sure what else I can show. We can, as you saw, you can delete stuff. It's clear data.
So you can add items and delete items, if you move an item.
Customers and stuff.
Where's my stuff?
Clear data.
Okay, cleared.
And then there's reasons.
Bells?
That's
Oh, so you can do and erase everything. And then I don't even know that this is practical, but just as devil's advocate, could you edit it? Like maybe I moved my piece.
exactly. So let's say I'm tired of having like, all right, so let's say I put my coat on the chair.
Okay, your coat is on the chair.
And now I move
Anything else I can do?
to box.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
I moved my coat to the box.
Sure, your coat is the box.
Grammar isn't perfect. Where is my coat?
Your coat is the box.
Close enough. So this might be a good time for the question, do you experience any difficulties?
So issue is figuring out how to deal with grammar. So I had to deal with capitalization a lot, like figuring out, right, because then you ask for Dad's coat, right? It's the coat owned by Dad. So it was able to figure that out. That's really easy with synonyms. You can like yes, Dad's to Dad. But then I have to deal with capitalization, and for some reason, sometimes when I'm seeing people's names, they showed up with a space after them. So then, so then just Dad's coat. Sorry, I couldn't find Dad's space. His coat.
Oh, and I wonder if you could use the data, like you did in version 2, use the data, the user data, like
Yeah,
and
that's,
I don't know, because I know my daughter and I share the devices, and it knows if it's me or her, and I can add stuff to her things and vice versa.
so I am
Some of them-
using user data. I'm planning to switch to using a database to store everything, and then have like people's, when someone says my code, then it will put that under their name. But I don't have that yet. It's just using local user storage, but it is saved.
Oh, nice, nice.
And when you say B or A code or just code, then it will just look for any code and then multiple results from it.
Oh, that's so it will give you a choice menu. That is really cool.
And as you saw, you see it uses the chips, like it pops up Dad's.
That's cool. So you can have a selection.
But it understands when you say my code.
Yeah, it does properly convert money to your word when it says it, but there's still some problems with that, like when it said your Dad's or your, it should say your is that's money.
This stuff reminds me a bit of a swear filter where it might evolve over time as you find more use cases that you hadn't thought of.
And then, so you see, so it is able to locate things. Another problem is it has trouble with like brand names. I had to create a list of objects, right? So I have like a toaster and things like that. And it can try and recognize other objects. So like, it's an object. It doesn't know. Put the projector on the desk.
Where did you put the desk?
You know, I love this because, I mean, that's why this is a fun hobby. Because how often are your compiler errors is funny.
Where do you put the desk?
Compiler errors, but logic errors on this computer. It's hysterical.
I'm not impressed with post processing, but there are some issues like that. A lot of the times with occasion contains an object, like we saw. And I did define desk as an item, so it kind of preferentially treated that over.
Oh, that's so interesting.
So yeah, And then it's like, cancel. So yeah,
Yeah, now my next question is probably too much for the presentation. I'm like, show me your code. And I like, both of the app submissions so far have changed that icon on the left margin. That's a nice touch. I haven't gone that far yet, but I like how both of these apps have their.
I should show that.
Yeah, I wondered if you could change that too, and now I see two people who have. That's really cool.
Yeah, so I actually came up with this idea before the hackathon started, and I was thinking this would be a nice little website that I could just access it from your house and enter stuff in. But then I think, so, and when I thought of that was when we were searching hopelessly through the garage to find the weed whacker. It was actually in the shed.
I love this idea because as I was walking in here, I was singing the YouTube song. I still haven't found what I'm looking for because I can't ever find anything. So I would actually use it. If you publish your app, I will go rate it and use it.
I'll probably make a full front end for it if I do end up releasing.
And I would use this app in a different way, just as like I love this idea, and I need even another one of what am I looking for, or what am I doing, or why am I here? Those are questions that I wish I could ask the assistant sometimes. What was I working on? I have a job with a lot of interruptions, so like that's a common question.
Starting on this.
Yeah, this app would allow me to do those sorts of things. Because I could say,
What did I cover it? Oh, snap. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. I walk off to go get something, and without fail, I turn around and I'm like, why did I go all the way around? And then as soon as I get back to the place, I remember, go back, forget.
So would this work like, somebody would say, I went to Walmart, and you could say, where did that person go?
That's a good idea.
Yeah, that complicates your simple and concept, which is a good guideline to be like, an app does one thing well. But it's a whole, you can do a whole franchise.
Yeah. It's be another a few separate.
Oh, you're right. With the
Another-
intents, you
another
can
idea
organize
is
that.
when you take something because we're using, say, I took the whatever, and then replace its location with was taken by whoever. You don't know how they have it.
Can't find it.
And then also another issue I guess I told you was like titles and brand names. So I just have generic names like chair, video game, movie. And then my plan is to add or maybe have a separate field for title in those specially chosen objects so that you can specify the title of the game. And I have kind of a query thing going on. It can store, I started out with having a dictionary, which just stored like keys and values, the key would be object's name, value of its location, that was it. And then if it had an owner, the name would be prefixed with the owner. But then I switched it to use a list of objects. Now I have this complicated search function, which is a mess. But it like handles especially if there's 1, 2, or no result, or 1, 0, or more than 1 result. And it'll have you select the correct one if there's multiple.
I love that.
But when you have like titles, you want to like search for a video game with this name, right? So then you run a query like that. You look for the title. That's my idea. I don't think I mean.
I love
That was
it.
so good.
I think we should publish it by the 15th if they'll process it that fast and get yourself a t-shirt.
I think they extended
Because I wanna use it.
the deadline actually. Yeah, I think so, but let me just double check.
And SkyTuner, the author isn't here, but I think they should publish too.
Oh yeah, that's such a good app. Yeah.
I don't parasite, but I sure would, but it's a very good app.
So Everett, you can pick the next person since you went first. You can use Google. You can use whatever way. Pick the next person.
Random number, you guys can volunteer. Any volunteers?
I
just got my things fixed.
Oh, so let's get it presented before it breaks again. Yeah, how do you want?
Be sure,
I
yeah, let
think,
us
you
know.
know, like, can I use my laptop
Um,
to use the simulator?
Yeah, so
Maybe it's not, the Google is not able to catch my.
no, I know, but like I
You
was,
can log in on this.
or I can have you.
Do you have the projector I can?
Oh, she will connect you. Yeah.
Yeah, so I may not be able to connect your laptop unless you have PGA. Well, we can pull out whatever you want. Yeah, so then you're in luck, because we don't have it, our college should in lots of our rooms, especially level.
Ah, you come prepared.
Many people are HDMI now, I'm gonna buy an adapter.
You don't have an HDMI.
But you do have what you need tonight, so
Yes,
that's
and then
what we
can
want.
put it back to people, ready for people to screen. Okay, so that should hopefully. You might have to do on your side,
I think
on the monitor settings, it might show as a second display. Your display settings. I forget, there's like a quick key at the end of those. Oh, there you go. So
Oh, are we going to have the sound through this as well, or that's different
the
setup?
sound, yeah, the sound should be connected. But there's probably a cable for.
Exactly. It's like, but how?
That's why everyone should have HDMI. But yeah, here's sound. This sound cable is a fancy one, but it'll fit. Oh, and it's got a. They have
all
the
the sound right underneath
adapters,
when
so-
it blasts. It's like, wow.
Yeah. It displays that, yeah, I'm sure you did it.
At least you got sound.
That should be getting this picture. It should be, this is the, what's that sound? Don't turn off, don't listen to it. I'll just listen a little bit. This is the input for here. It might be this one to the projector.
so why is this one not this one?
Yeah, I think you're correct. Hi, wow, you're so correct. There we go. Oh, this one, the other one back there. Thank you for the patience. Silly people. Let's see.
Whisper.
That's more like it.
Yeah.
Now we got it. Awesome. Thanks for bearing with us, folks.
So basically, like, I
And then,
Introduce your name first.
yes.
yeah, hi, my name is Gaurav, and pretty much this is my first application in Google Assistant, and I pretty much like the technology. It's totally different what I currently do in my day-to-day life. So I'm more based on the backend, probably at the database side, but this was like good for me, like people like me. So I just started with a very basic, simple, an application quiz, and I think I just being a smart guy, so I used everything provided by Google itself. So I even did not put input by myself, to be very honest. But like that's what the Google told me, when I did my stuff of work, and the Google told, for guys like me, starts with what we provide you. So you will be good end of the day. So your results will something come out. So I use the template.
Right.
And probably like the trivia template, it has like a 15 questions inside that part. And I think this. So basically, like my application is Talk to Hello World application quiz. So it's basically like the way I set it up, like when I talk to an assistant, Google Assistant, maybe over the phone, I try to So it's getting reflected, but somewhere the Google Assistant, some issues was coming with my accent or something,
Oh yeah.
and I did not get like more than 5 or 10 times to iterate it. So maybe I can sort it out. But for sure, it was working up here, and. So basically, the objective is like once I either type or say or press enter here, that's like the beauty of the simulator. I'm still able to replicate the same way. So here, when I go and I type it like this, I just press enter here. Talk to.
Okay, let's get the test version of Hello World application quiz.
Yeah, so if you can see on the right hand side here, that's where the question it displays, which year was the moon landing. And I think in each iteration when it does, it asks like a set of 4 questions, and that can be set to the maximum whatever a person can want to set it up. And preferably, I also don't know the answer, but I think it should be 1966 or 69. But okay, so let's go ahead. I think, yeah. Oh, good.
Superb. Question number 2 is coming up.
Then it says like the TV show American Idol for how many seasons? Yeah, so I think the way they displayed, basically the answer is out of these 3 itself, and the way it is popped up, there was an Excel sheet, and there were like 4 columns, and I am suggested. So it's all like let's say go for like 24, and so all the
Perhaps you misinterpreted something. The answer I was looking for is 15, because that's the correct answer. Best of luck to you.
Probably has attitude. Is that the correct answer?
And I think I know the answer for this. What is it? Nexus? I hope so. This should be the answer. Oh, is it? Oh my God.
Perhaps you miscalculated. I wish you had said Austin. Meet your last question.
She's excellent at knowledge.
And I don't know the answer for this, but mine would be a guitar. What instrument does Ario have to play?
I think guitar would be right, but does he play keyboard? He might play all of those, but I would think.
Oh, trick question.
And Eric's laughing because you see him playing piano and stuff too, but guitar.
Superb.
It's fun with the music. I know.
With that final question, we finished. Let's find out how well you did. A respectable score, my dear one. With 2 correct during this round, our court looks forward to your next visit. Shall we try again?
So let's go for it. Let's see how.
Brilliant work.
Which part of the city?
You know what? We have Google.
Let's ask the assistant.
Oh, it'd be funny if you have 2 going, then one answer the other.
Oh, that would be hilarious.
Actually,
I do that with you.
I was thinking, probably Tom and Jerry conversation, but some is still in like beta phase, I can say. But that was something in my mind.
So do you have a time limit for the answer?
No, I think like default is I don't think but it will just will say please put it. But it will not make me out. sees an idle time, what is like a standard one, it will just come out of the image.
And it's Bronx. We want to cheat. That's what
Yes, better make it-
One step closer to victory. This is question 2.
And I think thanks to you, otherwise like Google Assistant, there's one more. So which of these US states is farthest west? I think Alaska.
Which one was last?
I think it's
Alaska.
Would be Hawaii or Alaska.
Hawaii.
I think it was Hawaii.
Oh, furthest west.
Oh, for this.
I was thinking Hawaii.
Yeah.
Oh, is Hawaii west or west? I flunked geography. I got to see.
West from where?
Yeah, you see that
The globe is round. When I was in Hong, like I grew up in Hong Kong, I was so confused. It's the far east. It's like far from where? Right here.
My sincerest apologies. The answer is, in fact, Alaska. Let's see how you do.
That's true.
So I think the third is like how many gigabytes are in the Tesla? I think it should be 1 gigabyte.
So
Well done to you. We've reached your final question.
So which author created that title?
Oh. See? Trivia.
So how come it doesn't say the question and you have to like read it on
Yeah, I think.
You should be rewarded for your noble effort. He was an English author, journalist, and naval intelligence officer.
It's still in development.
As your royal ruler, I declare this game completed. Let the celebrations begin. Allow me to total your score.
So it's just input.
I see. Until we meet again, I wish you the best.
So the technology behind this powerful Excel sheet. I think
yeah.
that's like the input. And initially it just had like a 15 set of questions with answers and everything. And the max like is 4, and all these are modifiable objects. You know, we can go to a medium and that's not an issue with this thing. And there is no use of JavaScript, Firebase. So Google said like Excel sheet will not work, at least for this particular thing.
Oh, neat.
So and apart from that, I think the rest is like entity intention and fulfillment. I don't think I was not required. Yeah, I did not enable it.
Oh.
But yeah, right. And one thing I did. I did. I think the way when I did it, I just made it to publish. So before that, I have to write some privacy, the license
Oh,
part.
yes, yes.
So I give the URL for my Google Drive. I put it like this software.
Oh, awesome.
Something
Wow.
I did, so it went for draft and it's under review with Google. I don't know where.
Oh.
I'm really so curious to see how long it takes, because I wonder if they're getting hammered because the deadline's coming up.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's
Study
so
with
weird.
your
I
ideas, so-
I think you could. I think you would qualify if they publish it.
And right. Apart from that, yeah. So basically, I tried on my iPhone, and probably it was not able to. I think I was just messing with my. I have a problem with my SSM. So because of that,
Oh, yeah?
it was not able to.
Yeah, does Google Assistant, how does Google Assistant work for you that way? It doesn't interfere yet?
No, I mean, it's not a problem with the Google, maybe I did not try, I tried like a couple of times, but I was just focusing it, trying to make it, so intact, and so when I came in, so I thought, let's give me a last try, because things were just broken up, and
Oh,
the
yeah.
beginning I went outside, I tried to test it out, and then I think it worked out. So I just came.
Oh, that's awesome that it worked for us. Very good.
Right, yeah. So that's all.
Very nice, nice job. And I think look to the audience, any questions for this individual? And you already described pretty good, but what was the worst of it? Struggled with?
So I think there are two aspects. So one was more at my end because generally in my day-to-day real life I do not work at the front end, and seeing after a long time of, so although it did not require any sort of coding at my end, that was the Google Assistant promised in the document that you require coding, you know.
Oh, yeah.
So it was a challenge before I read it, but I think that was, you know, seeing that boxes and everything, you know, how the correlation, and I did connect it the last week when we talked, like, you know,
Oh, yeah.
entity is the first entity, intention is the second, you know.
Yes.
So I think generally like, entity should be at the top for me, but I just try to connect with what you said that time, and that actually helped me out.
Oh, well.
And then I think moved on, and then I think still I had a problem with my distance, so just trying to match it up with Google Assistant. And I think apart from that, so some of the questions were, but you know, I think getting into more towards it should be the Fleming, like people should, you know, be able to connect like who's N Fleming, Jen Spawn, and all those things. So that was the another area where, you know, subject matter, what sort of the questions would be a part of it.
Yeah, finding some content.
And so I think it was a fun at my end, trying to do some brainstorming.
That's
To everyone, things pulled up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let me just clarify. So I got an email as a GDG organizer that the like basically they sponsored the gift for running this event. So that has been extended to end of August. Now I don't know whether the T-shirt thing was extended. So that's I don't know. I hope they extend both because it sounds like they want more people to do it. But at least like organizers of GDGs can still apply for funding to run something like this.
Oh, so they extended it. That's neat.
At least that was extended. So
I think this is a great way to get
Yeah.
more assistant actions because, like, I mean, already tonight, I think there's 2 and 3 and Eden, so we've added, like, and thinking of GDG Denver, like, I think we've added at least 5 actions.
So I'll email them and clarify. So how about a T-shirt?
Yeah.
And use the tone from the video. Say how about T-shirts?
Yeah.
And see if that's also extended.
Yeah, I love this event. I think this event is
It's like everybody's idea
any
is so
level
cool.
can participate.
So once again, thank you everyone.
Yeah, thank you.
Who's next?
All right. So we can.
Yay, all
Wait,
right.
do you need the? Okay. Great. Yay, and so you can take a moment to set up and feel free to.
And while Jen
request
like
any
introduce the new
assistance or-
prizes that we added to the booth.
Oh, would you like me to present the prices?
Yeah.
Okay, so the way that I think we're gonna do it, or that you guys can stop me if I'm crazy, but I figure first place can pick prizes first, and that way we won't tell you what prize you have to take.
Yeah.
But what we have as a selection is a Google Home, and then we have a Home Mini, and then we have 2 beautiful Daydream views. Thank you, Shade. And then we have one of these wonderful Sphero Star Wars Hyperdrive BB-8s, which is super fun. And then also, this is just a little prank, a Phantom keystroker. So you plug this into a USB and it'll send a little keystroke intermittently. That'll make someone insane. And then you pull it out before the IT comes.
And what's that?
There is an employee at an unknown company that is being driven insane right now. He's very effective. And then this is just a little Boba Fett keychain.
Because why not?
Yeah. Boba Fett's my favorite, and he was begging.
Yay! So
Oh yes, I need to sign in, and then we can. Good. We've got our people. There. Remember my password? Yep. And then if you need to log me out of Google or log yourself in. And then it should be set up for Slime.
can you grab some
Yes.
pouring from outside?
Yeah.
We'll wait for everyone to be here for the
Yes, we can wait while she sets it up.
Okay. Oh, we have 2 viewers. Yay. They're always excited. Whenever I live stream, I never know where anyone's watching. It just says 2 viewers. I don't know who they are. But
Ah.
double, I know, right?
What's the name of this?
Oh, I should post it. Let me post it on the website. So you can,
That's funny. Whoever's at home.
I mean, you can also go to my Twitter, but I'll post it on this event, so
Okay.
you can look.
But I think it's really cool that we're live streaming because kind of want to keep this in the scrapbook.
Yeah, this one.
Memories.
So yeah, if you go to the meetup page,
Then you can increase the view.
oh no, that's okay. I don't need to like. You are in the room. You are in the live stream already. But that link will work afterwards as well. So if you want to show your friends, like, oh hey, look at all this cool stuff that our group built. You can do that.
Is what?
So what you can do to make it act better is if you switch it to speaker mode, you won't have that problem. Just click there. Then the display mode will work and the chips won't show up, but all the messages will.
I see. Yeah, that's neat.
Just like it's supposed to only let you send 2 messages, but for some reason the phone only lets you send 1. It's weird.
Yeah, this simulator has all these weird
Although
requirements.
I like their debug stuff. Response.
Oh, the whole.
I love it. I like that too. How you can look at this JSON.
Yeah, that's how I know whether the storage was storing anything. So,
And it's just like showing up empty
yeah,
in the response.
yeah. But someone is telling me I need to set up voice map, which I haven't done yet. I'll try it.
Maybe it's that I still
Because look how much texting I need now.
but it's the storage.
I only drink diet soda at like social gatherings. Yay, more! Make a mess.
Should I go get a
I'll keep it
Snack time.
ready.
That's what I was asking. Can I grab some cold drink?
The spectacle and the mess. That's a challenge.
Thank you.
Emergency napkin delivery.
Thank you, Everett. Thank you.
Sure, here's the test version of my test app.
Yes, I didn't have any
Okay,
introduce
your score was 0 out of 5. See you later.
Mine was supposed to.
Hey, your name? Yes. What's your name?
I just started programming this year, so I'm super new to this. So as a cap. So originally it was supposed to be heads up. It's more for kids. So it's that game that you have the name or the item, and the views or the different groups will tell you what item is on the tablet or the phone. So, and what I did was just like describe things, because of course it would be we're guessing, and Google Assistant is actually telling us what we're seeing. So.
All right, getting the test version of my test app. Hey there, welcome back to Heads Up. Time to play. First question, coming up. It's a movie. They transform into cars. What am I? Cars. Transformers or action figures?
It's for kids, so
Transformers.
Transformers.
Very good.
That's not incorrect, which means it's correct. The question goes like this. Flushable, drinkable, clear. What am I? Water, paper, or poop?
They were 2-year-old.
How did you know which one I was gonna ask?
Whoops. Sorry, that's wrong. The answer I wanted was water. Here it comes. An activity. After doing IT, we have to wash our hands. What am I? Oil change. Gardening. Or pee. That didn't seem like an answer.
I think it's super entertaining because my experience with kids is they would get a kick out of the playfulness you added. Even though adults roll their eyes, and some children also roll their eyes. There are children in this world who are way more mature than me. But as a general rule, I think that would set it apart from just the playfulness.
Just imagining all these.
Okay, your score was 1 out of 5. See you later.
And then, oh yeah, and
Can you talk a little bit about how this is done?
yeah. I was jumping in the Q&A, but I wasn't sure if you finished with the presentation part.
I mean, overall, originally my idea was actually to make Google Assistant quick. So like, I use Google Assistant like for recipes instead of like telling me a video or anything. It gives me lists and then shows me 2 articles, and then I have to go into that. So if I want something quick, I would actually just do the recipe, put some GIFs, so it repeats and repeats and repeats. So that would be great for people who instead of going to YouTube, rewind everything just to get apart. But I'm not
Wow.
that smart.
So I love your idea though, and I think that you could like, I think that's very buildable in your near future, and if not, like you coming to meetups and asking. I think that is such a neat idea. I'll give you a little pointers.
You could feel about that, but like searching, like if there are subreddits for cooking gifts, actually, you could like search those to find the recipe you want.
Yeah, I tried those, but like all it gives you is a list. So for instance, for someone for a college student who doesn't know how to cook, how do you know how to crack an egg? So it teaches you a gong dip. Put your 2 fingers there, and it repeats and repeats and repeats.
So have like each step kind of show up.
Yeah, pretty much. And then like for instance, if you're doing something really quick, it just gives you the recipe, the list one by one with the dip, and then it tells you who you like to repeat, and it goes back.
So each step has a gift, like crack 2 eggs in a bowl, like crack an egg.
Yeah, and it's not only for recipes, it's for like, fried rice, formula, anything. So you repeat. Instead of going to YouTube and then going back.
I'm like thinking,
Do it.
trademark that. I'm like, I don't know one in Silicon Valley's listening. They're like, I got gifts for instructions.
Yeah, I need that for mascara. So wait, how do you do it again? Yeah, do it.
I don't know. I haven't seen that, so maybe someone's thought of it. What a neat way to present information.
More knowledge on how to be work.
And you're just getting started. So hang around for a little while, a couple more code classes, and you'll start to see how you might do that, because you'll encounter similar things in the very near future.
Yeah.
Firebase has something where you can store images and stuff on it. So you could upload gifts to your Firebase account and have it linked to them.
Yeah, and what's really great with Samsung S8 and 9, they have this feature in your phone, and you can just get into, YouTube, and if you got this like small little area that you want, it records it, and then it consumes as a GIF. So it just repeats. So in that feature, with the Google Assistant,
I like the concept.
Yeah.
Very good. You're off to a strong start.
All right. Who's next?
I guess I can go.
All right.
Try
Yeah.
Oh. All right, so I was just going to connect to the computer maybe.
Okay,
start talking.
yes,
So you
and
just
if
have
you
to
have
hold-
a moment of patience, I'll even charge it so long.
There's just a little Bluetooth button on the speaker you hold down and then it appears to your phone.
It was on the side, as I recall. Now I remember, I think I'm only charging for it, so it won't go. Otherwise, it just really obnoxious. Beep. Now you can stream to the home. Even without it being set up, but. Yes. I have the charger, I'm putting controls on this side too, manual. Awesome. And then you can, when you're ready, you can introduce yourself.
All right, so I'm Max Resnick, and my app is GitHubBot, which it also goes by PullRequestBot because you actually can't use GitHub as actions for Google Assistant because GitHub is trademarked.
And if you want, are you going to demo on your phone?
Yeah, it is. But
Okay, good. When this lights up, you can show us up there for this if you want to.
so I'm an Android developer for Workday, so we actually use GitHub at my work a lot, so that was kind of the inspiration here. So, my slides. I'm just notes for myself. But one thing as a GitHub developer that I have to do a lot is just search for a library, right? So, as an example, like maybe I want to know what retrofit is. So, okay, Google. Okay, Google. Let me speak to PullRequestBot.
Okay, let's get the test version of PullRequestBot. Hi.
All right. What is retrofit? What is retrofit? What is retrofit? All right.
You're fine.
What is retrofit? That's weird. I'll just type it in.
Yeah. We got it though. It was deleted.
Oh, that was me typing.
That might be the Wi-Fi or weak service. You can't do it.
Oh yeah, because I just realized that I got off the Wi-Fi. So.
That's usually what it is, because I struggle with this too.
Yeah.
Secure and networks don't. Schools. Sad.
Jamie is posting a hotspot here to see if it connects
Oh.
to maybe.
Oh,
if
yeah.
the Wi-Fi is down.
Make sure that it's.
Let's see if it's. Wi-Fi is still working.
Oh, so I didn't accept the terms of use on my.
That's what it is. It's got that Aruba layer. Yeah, that's if that's the right name for it. But it's no fun when you have to combine security and Wi-Fi or like, you know, the added layer at a school.
All right. Okay, Google. Please speak to PullRequestBot. All right. My phone can't connect. Can't do anything.
I'm trying to put up my hotspot in case. You can always do it on the computer.
Yeah, Please speak to pull request bot.
Okay, let's get the test version of pull request bot. Today.
What is retrofit? What is retrofit?
Retrofit is a type-safe HTTP client for Android and Java by Square, Inc.
Nice.
So sometimes as an Android developer, I'll like push to master and there'll be something broken, right? I think we all have that experience. When something broken, we need to know whose fault it is, right? They tried to get all that. Right.
That's so funny.
Yeah. It's like it's hard to know when it's listening. Please speak to pull request bot.
Here are some results from the web.
Alright, let's try this one. Okay, Google. Please speak to pull request bot. Not responding right now. Please speak with pull request bot.
Pull request bot isn't responding right now. Try again soon.
And I do have my mobile hotspot up if that interests you to try it.
I can just do it on the.
Oh, cool. Yeah. And then so to switch to the computer, you just.
Alright.
Yeah, so then I was using mobile software. So sorry. Just throw that on the charger. Yes, it's your luck.
Okay, let's get the test version of pull request bot.
Retrofit is a type-safe HTTP client for Android and Java by Square, Inc.
Alright, but sometimes I want to know what the last commit on a repository is, so.
The last commit to Android sample was made by Waxiaolong, same RX Java 2.
So I know what my mistake was, so if I add the question mark to the end of retrofit, it captures that as part of the entity. Apparently when you search retrofit question mark on GitHub, you get Android MVP sample.
Oh, wow. How
Yeah.
unfortunate is that?
Yeah.
So instead of the dialog flow, like extraction.
Yeah.
All these obstacles that who would ever think of?
Yeah.
It's like,
Don't add a question mark to the end of your.
who would ever think of
So
that?
have you tried
The last commit to Retrofit was made by Nicholas Espen Gears, same RX Java, stiff NQE
So you might
call
be
with
able to
stubs.
highlight, like try to highlight, like provide some examples of it in like a question mark and like make sure the question mark is not highlighted in the entities.
Yeah, I think that's probably it. Because all my examples, I don't know, they might even have question marks highlighted as part of the end.
So for mine, I like use the location of objects as an any thing, an any sys.any type entity, and I just highlighted phrases and I kind of figured it out, I guess. So you might be able to do that to fix your issue.
Alright. So I can also look up forward buttons. Just using retrofit as an example because it's a lot of good GitHub.
Pull request number 2806, move general checks out of HTTP specific code, opened by Jay Gordon. Pull request number 2771, upgrade RX Java 2 to 2.1.14, upgrade Acer TJ to 2.9.1, opened by Ben. Pull request number 2750. I found this for you.
Ooh,
That actually, yeah, pops up a card with the title of request in the body of it, and that was the avatar of the person who made it as well.
This is hysterical from someone who's worked in an office. Like, you know, it was you. There's your picture.
At first, I thought I was then I realized that I would have like my work GitHub credentials like on Google Cloud. And it probably doesn't make a lot of sense.
But you could probably create like a read-only user on your repo that is just like the action spot that doesn't have write access. That could be okay. So they couldn't like delete all your code. And that would be bad.
Oh,
yeah. You don't want a bug to get you into trouble.
You can also use this to kind of get a feel of what's actually going on with any particular repository. So what's going on? RxJava.
RxJava was forked by Resurgent Sedna. Someone pushed 1 commits to ref SGH pages. Someone pushed 1 commits to refs 2x.
You can kind of get a history of the repo that way. And you can also query what repos people own. So what repositories.
I found repos by Jake Warden, apps.io.
We'll be here all night, Max.
Action bar Sherlock Action bar Sherlock plugin Max.
So
Activity tab 2, Jason Fragment pager sample. Android directionality pages. Android map port fragment. Android design keynote.
Yeah.
So the main challenge was actually authentication. So getting the ability to authenticate on the side of the user. That I couldn't seem to figure out. So all of those are just public APIs that anybody can query. It's nothing that only you can query. So I was really hoping to get to the point where I could post a comment on the user's behalf on pull requests, like, oh, you can approve that pull request or something. But that involves this really weird OAuth flow, and Everett actually pointed out a way that I could actually do that. So I'm probably going to do that. So I'm going to try that probably later today, actually. So that was my main challenge. Other main challenges is that I originally started with just the dialog flow REST API, but the client library is much, much better. The actions on Google deploy time. So I had a friend of mine try and beta test it, and it took like forever to get deployed. And that's most of the problems that I had.
Great. All right. That's super fun.
I just want to relay a comment from someone who submitted the Sky Tuner app. She's watching us from home, and she said the live stream is great. It's so great that her home device is getting triggered every time we say
Oh my goodness.
which is fun, I guess.
I find that when I'm watching Udemy, or I find that they're fire.
I need to be careful not to say it unless I need to.
Yeah, I usually have 2 tablets, my phone, a couple home devices. What?
Right.
No,
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
You should remove mine too.
Okay.
Please.
Maybe you don't want to hang out on the computer. Sorry, I didn't reply to you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Luckily, no, it's no one getting my employee account, so it's me, but I will definitely. Deep freeze is disabled.
All right. Do it? Okay. All right. I'm loving this so far. That's like everybody's idea is so different and it's so fun. I think the voice interface makes it really fun. But you can do the same thing but talk to GitHub other ways, but it's not the same. Sorry, that's a tripod.
But that's different.
Go around.
Is it clear browsing data?
Yeah, that should clear both.
Yeah, I figured that, and then we'll just do all of it for like. Yeah, for the last time I was here too. Sure. And so, what equipment can I pull up?
So I wanted to go to the floor.
Okay.
And I switched to the.
Awesome. So to do that, we fire up the doc cam, and then would you like to connect to do the Bluetooth. And then how are you doing with Wi-Fi?
I think my connection is yeah, with Wi-Fi.
It's like MZ something. Yeah, and I also have.
I think the reason I thought of using a web page, like, but using URLs as a gate guide.
Oh, did you find it already?
Because that's exactly how it's
I'm used to an Android.
CLI.
Oh, yeah.
It's very the problem with that is
Oh, because it was like a post parameter. Or no.
it's like a virtual machine and copy and paste it instead of just installing it on the system and it works.
And then the dashcam is ready, so you just
I
bring it
think
on
that
there.
each people to
Very
look
much.
at this like makes it way
If you just anywhere on, like, there we go, we can see it pretty good.
Okay. Very good evening to all of you. So my name is Ishka, and I made the app like more of about friends finder or maybe friends team, or we can more know about the friends, like if you have 5 friends, you can know about the behavior, nature, like what I like, what I dislike, what is my nature, like lovely or joyful or like angry.
Oh, neat.
Yeah, and what kind of behavior, personality, nature. Like I'm a competitor or I'm angry, So to know more about the friends. So I made this a basic app, but in future I want to make more famous app to add, like WhatsApp group, okay, and then people can chat, like more than 2 people. So I don't know how to do it, the consistent this app, but I really want to develop some JavaScript or something.
For like sending texts.
Yeah, sending text or maybe like direct call on the phone, and I would write some video chat as well. You would click on the button and say, hey people, I want to chat with what's the name? Eden. So you can directly chat with me, video chat with Eden. So
Nice.
so these are the flavors I want to add to this app, but this is the basic app. I hope you guys like it. Talk to friends team. Talk to friends team. Talk to friends team.
Okay. And then I might have.
Chandler.
Oh, and then it's for him.
Chandler.
That's. So let's talk to Chandler. Please select from the following options. Speaker is too quiet.
Please try that again if problem persists.
now she's talking.
So let's talk to Chandler. Please select from the following options. Isn't available, or you need to update your assistant application.
You know, it's every tech demo, even at poor Google, you know, they try it, the demos argue.
Talk to friends team.
Please try that again if problem persists. Then either this action, talk to friends team, isn't available, or you need to update your assistant application.
Talk to friends team.
Please try that again if problem persists. Then
Talk to friends team.
Sure, here's the test version of Brad's team.
Music playing and the pictures. I'm all about the music. I love that theme song.
let's talk to Chandler. Please select from the following options. Monica giving tips to Chandler.
Neat, it looks like a chat app
Part
already.
1 of Secrets of Chandler, Ross and Monica. Chandler got hypnotized.
So it's giving us
Rachel
a
and
list of
Monica
lists.
competing against Joey and Chandler for their apartments.
That is really cool.
Joey proposing Rachel.
That's so fun. It's
Joey in advertisement.
yeah, it's probably
Joey
just our
proposing
slow
Rachel.
Wi-Fi or something related to.
Chandler and Joey missing each other.
So like this kind of conversation, like 5 friends, they are talking, to each other, like what, like Rachel proposed, like Monica.
Yeah, then if we want to, we can just cut the power.
Now I'm missing moment, audience.
Oh,
Sleepy.
there we go. And you can put it back.
Yeah, so I made this app like friends, 5 friends, or like I can add more, 10 friends, like we do like WhatsApp group. So you can add, and then like communicate, like this guy is, that's it. So the other person can see it in English. So I added some objects, to my objects, added some, like synonyms. So I'm connected to you, you connected to some in my behavior to me, and a few of my behavior is like to her. So it's like I connected, like I just added all those, like for each object I added some like synonyms. And yeah, like I met you, like I met, what's your name, sorry?
Jen.
Yeah, I met Jen. So if ever I find Jen was related to my synonyms, all through the book company.
So that's how it connects people via the
Yeah,
traits
like-
that you store, so you have friends that you have things in common.
Yeah, what are the common things I have, or I have a chatted or connections, for the small concept.
I love it because, and very often I've thought, wouldn't it be neat to have a social something with the assistant? So I can't wait. And then I bet with Dialogflow, it interfaces with more than just Google. So there is a texting service and there is some different things. Very nice. So what difficulties did you encounter?
So it was for me, it was confusing, how, like I could have look for it, whatever, synonyms I added to you, and I added it to her, and what she, synonyms added to her. So that was sometimes so confusing. Then I make access sheet, and at my home I have whiteboarding, and then I created some life cycle. Okay, this one person is synonym with this and that, like 3 synonyms. Synonyms like behavior or any of the conversation, if ever happened between me and you, or me to her, or to you. So this kind of like the synonyms I have it. And Google Assistant really has to Dialogflow, and it really helps me to create the synonyms. I just need to ignore the expressions, and the more expressions I'm adding, it was adding my synonyms and behavior. Like suppose me, the Rachel was saying like Joey proposed to Rachel. So I made this kind of expressions I added.
Neat. So you got to test the machine learning. So you were able to tell it some things that you didn't specifically add as a training phrase, but it would work it out based on what was already there. That's something I'm really curious about, and I was thinking this might be a really super fun project because you might find a place to pull machine learning in, and it could learn how to more efficiently connect people.
Yeah, especially Facebook, like friends, like any friends, like if you family members, your friends, they can chat to each other or they can contact. They can know more about, if you're like you're in office and you don't know the updates, know what they've done, know what has happened. You can know, oh, like me and she went for like coffee. So you can get an update.
It's almost like a MySpace for the assistant, or like a mini different social, but it has. I like it very much.
Any questions?
Yeah, any other questions, anything that you'd like to elaborate further?
Yeah, so like I use your Node.js for my this project because I'm pursuing a course from University of Denver as a full stack developer.
Nice.
Yeah, so I gained a lot of knowledge from there, and this is I think next week. I have 2 weeks more to learn from there. So it really helped me to do this app. You know, I really enhanced my skill set. I really want to work on this more, and I love this project. You know,
That makes me so happy.
Yay!
Yay!
I have one question. So did you use any backend data?
I use Firebase. So you can see the entities which are created like Joey and Rachel. So I've created from there. And so I'm adding I've created like 6 to 7 entities. And I can create more in later. And from there I integrate it to iCloud Firebase.
I love how you were able to take a small segment of sample that tied in such a cute way. Like you did a very good job showing the concept, even though it's got a ways to grow. So
I really want to be more like the real time, like my friends are talking, you know, like, about their day-to-day life and any kind of stress or happiness or upcoming events. So like we do with meetups, you know, like
Chuki.
Yeah, she updated, you know, like yesterday about she going to for the fourth prize she's going to go for PR. So like this kind of, you know, I want to make some real time conversation between any kind of friends or any of family member or any group people like in office or school or college. So I think that would be helpful for everyone.
I have been wishing that someone would build something social networking on the assistant so I could play with my friends and have a reason.
Yeah.
It's neat it can do calls, and I'm sure it can do text like with WhatsApp, but it would be fun if it was a whole social platform UI. And also the like illustrations too.
Yeah, like they can easily, you know, like make a group chat or something.
That would be fun.
I'm still going to work on it because I'm back in school. So,
Yeah.
It's a good start. Yeah.
Definitely. Well, really neat concept.
Yay!
I think that's all our presenters tonight, right? So now what we got to do, and you know,
I want to demo my app as well.
Oh,
I mean,
yes.
not competing, but yeah.
yeah, so one
But
more
you can you know.
unless Eden and Connie, you guys are the only ones left in the group. So. Yeah, so I showed my app first, my concept. And Eden presented last time, the one that you built, so you presented the others.
Well, actually, by the way, the mic's off.
I know.
Mic's back on. Right? Actually, Amy, can you help, like, you can flip the screen to your side so you can see the thing. Yeah, so if I can demo and film at the same time. I'm gonna move BBA out of the way, sorry BBA.
That's all right, yeah, dude. Yeah, arrange it however you like.
So my name is Chuki. I've been actually working on this app for a month already, so it's not just a part of the hackathon. But I have an app that uses the Google Civic API, so it takes your voting address and it tells you when's the upcoming election and what offices you should be voting for, and then also where you can vote. So this is, I have a Flutter front end, so I'm just adding the Google Action as another front end. So let's into the demo. Yes. I brought my Google Mini to try.
That's really breathtaking.
I have addresses. Okay, Google, talk to ballot guy.
All right, getting the test version of Ballot Guide.
To get your ballot information, I just need to check your location. Can I get that from Google?
Sure.
What is your registered voting address?
Home.
For ballot information,
now it's
I'll need to check your home address. Can I get that from Google?
Sure. It will tell you, but it's not my home address. it's not blinking. Okay, Google. Say it again.
Sorry, can I get your home address from Google?
Okay.
So there's the permission piece.
Got it.
Yeah.
326 Jackson Avenue, Firestone, Colorado 80520, USA. To get information about the next election, say upcoming election.
Upcoming election.
Sorry, I'm still looking. Please try again in a few moments.
Yeah, so I have some slides as well, so I'll show you why. Okay, Google.
Sorry.
Upcoming election.
I found Colorado general election on the 6th of November 2018. To get more info, say context.
What's on my ballot?
There are 11 contests: Governor, Secretary of State, Regent of the University of Colorado, at large, Congressional District 4, CD 4, Board of Education, Weld County Commissioner, at large, Weld County Clerk and Recorder, Weld County Assessor, Weld County Sheriff, Weld County Commissioner, District 2, and State House 63.
Where can I vote?
Ballot guide isn't responding right now. Try again soon.
Oh, anyway, that part wouldn't work because the way it works is it merges two data sources. One is the ones that I put in, which is all those like governor and Weld County Commissioner and things like that. And the other part is from Google, where it tells you where the voting address is. But because this election is so far off in the future, Google doesn't actually have it. So I can try another one, which is the test election that Google has some information already. So I'm going to try. This is a very specific address, which is why I have already had them. Okay, Google, talk to ballot guide.
All right, getting the test version of ballot guide.
To get your ballot information, I just need to check your location. Can I get that from Google?
Okay.
What is your registered voting address?
1243 Pacific Avenue, Kansas City, Kansas.
Got it. 1243 Pacific Avenue, Kansas City, Kansas 66102, USA. To get information about the next election, say upcoming election.
Upcoming election.
Sorry, I couldn't find any elections.
Well, that failed, but supposedly it's going to fetch the test election from Google and then it will have all the information, but never mind. Well, once this is, I need to still go through like setting up the like privacy policy and whatnot, but I'm going to share the link so that you can try it at home. So I actually made a little bit of slide to show you how I use Firebase to do this.
Your lights on.
Jen, can you log in? Because I posted the link to the slide on the website. So yeah, so I just need to use your account. Sure is. Log into the. All right, thank you. Okay. Take it to the. Oh yes. Yes, this is our little, oh, the control panel. Oh, thank you. It's our input control panel sense. All right, why is that thing on the corner?
You can click on the two little arrows.
Yes.
Down to the right.
On the textured tab piece, little to the right, that, yeah. Isn't that annoying? And you can also, if you hit the two arrows, it'll minimize it. All right. Okay. So that's in case you want to draw. Oh, I didn't know I could do that, but not doing that. All right. So basically, what happens is that's the Google form. So when I say like talk to the ballot guy, what it does is it writes to the address that you got from the Google Assistant to this particular address on Firebase, and then that whole dialogue where they say, "Can I get your address from Google?" is not me actually. It's a Google Assistant helper. So I'm requesting a place, and they go through all that flow, and they ask me, "Can I get your home address from Google?" So that's all the permission stuff. So it's kind of nice that you don't have to say it out loud, but it's kind of not nice because every time you ask for a place, it first asks you for your location, and I think it's so that it will know that when I say Lafayette, it's Lafayette, Colorado, and not Lafayette, Indiana. So it wants to know where you are before you even give it a place. But if I'm using my home address, it shouldn't care. But that's their UI. I don't know how to change it. Maybe that's some settings. So anyway, so I write to this particular place. So the user ID is like right now I've generated on the action side just a random string. Supposedly I could store it in storage so that next time when you come back, I don't have to ask for the address again, but I haven't gone that far yet. I couldn't figure out how to do storage. So once it writes there, and I then use cloud function, which is basically can set up triggers, which I call trigger. It's not the official term, but it watches a location pattern. So when it sees that there's something new written to any user ID, which is like the curlies, anytime there's something that's written to that particular location, it will trigger a cloud function, which will talk to the Civic API. So it takes your address and then it grabs your voting district and the election information, and then it writes it back to this place called Civic Info, which is, again, it's a special location that I define, because then I have a second step that translate that. So this is just my little cute illustration that I'm using this. I had a lot of difficulty figuring out how this works because I was writing and reading the same place so that it just kind of like doesn't stop, like the cloud function. So now I have a very, very clear flow where I write to a specific place and I read from a different place, not the same place. So that's why I have this kind of inbox, outbox model. And so after that, I will then watch this location. So whenever this is written, meaning I know which voting district you belong to. So say you're in Wells County and you are in Colorado. Then I go to the divisions table from my 5 days to retrieve information. So if you're in Colorado, then I know that you'll be voting for the governor. And if you're in Congressional District 4, then I know you'll be voting for your congressman. And like that. So that I put those together and then write it to this other place called Elections Upcoming. But then that sits there, and when you ask for upcoming election, it reads from that place. So all those cloud function happens in the background because the Google Assistant API has a 5-second timeout, and sometimes it's more than 5 seconds. So initially I was doing all that within the, so when Jen presented, you know how you can put code on the 5 days back end. So I was putting all that just there, but then in my editor, yeah, but it timed out because it took more than 5 seconds. So then what I did is the only thing that I do during the conversation with Google Assistant is writing to the trigger address. So just write it there, and then I let the cloud function run everything in the background. That doesn't count as my timeout. So like the assistant is responsive. It's not good. It's looking for things. So when you ask for upcoming election too early, before all those things happen, then it says, I'm still looking. So that's how I solve the problem of things taking more than 5 seconds, which I wish I can take fewer than 5 seconds, but at least I can have it so that you can still talk to the assistant and it will just say, sorry, I'm still looking. And so all that is so cool. Yeah, so all of this actually is exactly the same as my Flutter app. So that's how I can put this together. It's so cool. In a week, so I just plug this in so that on the Flutter app, it does exactly the same thing. So you type in your address and it writes to that exact same location, and all the back end works exactly the same. And Flutter, like the app, watches this location and then it updates. I can also show you the app if you want. Or I don't know if you like.
Sure, yeah. So
let's
push
switch.
the button that says document, and then it only takes a little loading bar to come up. It's not as slow as the picture. Yep, so it's almost up anyway.
Okay, so
yeah, those bulbs don't take as long.
All right, so this time I will actually try to test election to see if it works. So this is a very specific string. Now I have to memorize it because
because I tested it for so long. Kansas City.
Right, so like the loading is because like I delete the, hey, why does it say election? Okay, so the text isn't loading. So does anybody want to tell me their address? Oh, no, because it's
Sure, I don't care.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
All right, okay.
It's on live stream.
Yeah, like,
Well, how many viewers?
well, it's recorded, so I can put in, you know what, I have some text.
We could put
Yeah.
names, yeah, so how about, and I know the Greeley address by heart, so how about 5401 West 20th Street? And, yeah, that very top one, that'll do. That might be my old company or Ames.
Doesn't matter, I guess.
They could use all the marketing.
All right, so
They hired me for people.
so what they did was exactly what I showed in the thing. So the only thing that the app did was write the address that we got to that particular location, and then it was spinning because it was watching the upcoming elections location on Firebase, and then it displayed all the content.
Super fun.
Yeah, so and
Inspired.
so the nice thing is I also actually I didn't do it on the assistant, but I also implemented favorites. So for example, for this congressional district call, say, so I would say I like Karen McCormick, so I can take a look and then I can put a little star. All right, so I favorite her, and say for some reason I actually put in my wrong address. I actually live, this is an address I memorized as well because I need to test. So let's say I actually live in Firestone. I don't actually live in Greeley, so I go ahead and fetch all these things, which it switched the like state house district because it's a different place. But if I go back to this like same contest, it will still remember the person you picked, even though the address is different because it's the same race. So yeah, that's why I want to demo this. I did a lot of work this month, so I want to show you.
You are inspiring because, like, I play with Flutter and I play with Assistant, but I don't have a demo.
And you know, like,
build this really cool thing.
I really want to have other people, so like, if you know,
Makes me want to go code.
yeah, we can do another hackathon. Just we hang out some afternoons and let me know. Because Flutter is actually, it's like a little bit difficult in the beginning, but you learn very fast. And once you pass the initial hump, it's actually super fast coding.
If you want to present Flutter again, GDG no code could do another Flutter party.
And the cool thing is the way that if you use Firebase as a backend, a lot of the logic end up on the backend, which is why I can just reuse it for the assistant because the front end actually doesn't do much. It's just like wait for the election data to be compiled, and then once it's compiled, it's handed off a list of all the different contests here. Yeah. So all these contests, so it's just waiting, and then a list come back, and then like, I'm going to show you a list, and that's it. So the front end is relatively light, which means I have to learn a lot of JavaScript, but it was okay. I survived.
Yeah, that's the one thing. I wish it was a little more versed in the whole JavaScript Node.js thing.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, I was thinking we could do probably a 5 to 10 minute break and we'll do judging and then you guys can pick prizes and then we'll call it a night. And you guys are troopers. I don't mean for these to run so late, but hopefully, hopefully it's engaging enough for me. The time is fine. Right? Hopefully we still have our other person viewing.
Yeah, let's see if that's.
Yes. She they mentioned in their email.
Yeah,
you can take the prize too.
Yeah, I think I will take it. I think she lives like near Boulder, so I can.
We may still need her to.
Oh, okay, yeah. So that is true. If I see, so I'm going to DM her and make sure she stays on.
Yeah. So I would say we can come back and
I guess I will have the live stream looking at the.
And I want my phone charging because I'm going to take pictures.
So right now, just streaming the prices. Okay, so let me DM her. Make sure.
Thanks for showing us.
Yeah, thanks. I been I've been spending a lot of time on it, partly because I'm having a lot of fun learning new stuff. But I hope that people actually find it useful and actually go vote. I mean, I don't know. I don't really actually know how to make this world not as scary. But go vote, people. All right. Oh, I don't think so. But yeah.
Let's go on and introduce Google Duplex robots. Google Duplex. Google. It'll be like an exact robotic copy of you. It'll just go and
Like a hologram.
Yeah. I don't have time to vote, but I'm still just perfect. Or at least enjoy people's ballot. Maybe we'll talk about that.
Hack what? Like give bad information, you mean?
What if they get access to the database?
Oh.
Yeah, it's a file-based backend, so I hope Google would not be hacked. I haven't set up the permissions yet right now, so it's because you can set up rules to restrict who can read and write. Right now, it's anything can do it, which because I don't have any special data yet. Because that's what they said. They said, when you're testing the app, just set the very permissive rule. But I will lock it down when I launch, which I need to anyway because I need to get a privacy policy and things like that. Because I am storing the address, right? So I need to make sure people don't get your address.
I really want to use API on my this project. I really want to use API. I was about to, but I didn't get much time to use API, more API. Like WhatsApp API. I don't know if it's free or not. WhatsApp API.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I need to think what I want to do. Oh, yeah. I want to invite her into the live stream, actually, so she can join us. But I need to send some information.
Literally putting in there is well, you're way ahead of if you don't want to store people's addresses, you could track it. Once you achieve the voting district, then just remember that. But districts change.
Well, no, the reason why I remember the address is because the Google API, a week before the election, will actually give you all that information plus your voting, your polling location and things like that. And that is key to your address, not to your voting district. Because it's the closest place you can vote. So I do need an address for that. And the reason why I have my own database is because the Civic API is late. Like the Colorado primary, they didn't have anything until the week of the election. And even then, they didn't have the contest. They only have the voting location. And I'm like, I need to do my homework before the week before, because there are 10 things I need to vote on. So that's why I saw the address. It's for the Civic API. Right now, everything is coming just from the divisions, but that's different during actual elections. So, yeah.
Re-enter their address every time.
That's how this is right now for the actions. For the app, it does remember your address. So yeah.
Then there's also the user storage. You could store that. If you were worried about people's addresses being empty, you could store the address in user storage. Some of you store to Google rather than Face. It's another possibility.
But it's still Google servers.
Yeah.
It's same difference, I guess. Yeah.
It's just slightly weird. Slightly.
You would think there might be a viewing UI or dialogue feature. Okay, dialogue. Great.
Okay.
Ooh, the judges are.
So judges have returned. Are you guys ready for results?
I just figured out how to send a link for the other participants. So I'm hoping that she will join the live stream. So let's stall a little.
So I'm gonna go on my phone. What I would like is if you grab after you choose your prize, I'd like it if you allow me to snap a photo of you. Just because I'm so bad about remembering pictures. So first place, GitHub.
Woo!
Yay, so congratulations.
I think I'll take the BB.
I don't blame you one bit for that.
We have a zero guy.
I've had the pleasure of meeting them at GDG Denver DevFest.
Oh, yeah.
I just love those stories. Yay.
Thank you so much.
All right, well, thank you for everyone who participated too. And, I want to do more coding-centric events in this club, so I think we'll need to have a DevFest in the upcoming months. So the next second place is Where's My Stuff? Yay! You may pick out of the prize pool anything you like. I didn't want to make somebody take something home if they already had it. Thanks to GDG Boulder for everything. Yeah, so we have home, home mini, and a keystroker Boba Fett. One thing is different from that. Not in a box. Yes. He hitched a ride from the gas station.
I think we are.
All right, I'll tell you what. The Home Mini is really awesome. The Home has a slightly bigger speaker, and I think they have the same features, but maybe can the Home do more? But you see more colored lights on the Home. It doesn't have a light show. I'm disappointed, I'll tell you, with the Google Home Mini. The only thing that I wish it would do is it has beautiful colored lights, but you only see them very rarely. So I wish that you could make a little colored light show because the lights are so fun on it. It's that hot up there. It's just amazing. I wish it would be because that was when you first plug it in, you're like, ooh, it's gorgeous color lights, and you see the colors now and then. But yeah, I really think it'd be fun if it would use the colors.
The home has a better speaker.
And the Home has a slightly better speaker, but I would say they both work really, really well. Like they really seem to pick up. I have 4 of them, and they pick up me from any room in the house, which is awesome. I'll be telling them to remember where I put my stuff now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard, isn't it?
You can check VR is also good. I have it's very awesome.
What did you say?
The VR.
Yeah, your phone needs to be compatible with it, so you may want to.
My personal recommendation between the Home and Home Mini too, the Home really likes to live in the kitchen because of the recipe thing. So, and it plays good enough, it's a good enough speaker that, my silly little Bluetooth speaker is not as good as my Home. So I was able to stream all my music, but I'm not picky about sound. With my laptop, I can feel it, but it's something I would do. It's probably gonna happen. I can at least feel it. I was waiting for it to I had an attention thrown on it, but you know me pretty well by this point. Oh no. We could do a random number for you. You could see wait and see if you want to let other people pick for a while. Yeah, I enjoy my home devices quite a bit. I probably don't have a compatible phone or I got a TV in my room. Approved ones.
So it's just they're just different sizes of.
Yeah, so the home is about this big and about this wide, so it's a little bigger, and you get a little more fancy color lights, and you turn the volume up by a better speaker. And for what it is, the Mini's a pretty decent speaker. You touch the sides to turn the volume on and off. And so, yeah, they both work really well. The home has a good enough speaker that it's better than that Bluetooth. You can play some music. Gets a little bass on there and stuff.
The Mini can be mounted to the wall. You can buy a mount for the Mini.
Good point, because that would be awesome, like in the bathroom or above a bed. Because I have in bathroom and bedrooms, I have the Minis, and then in my kitchen, I have the home, but pretty shelves. And I use it most in the kitchen because I'm always like, play me a song, set me a timer, tell me a recipe.
Yeah, my husband knows I'm cooking when there's like music. Because I'm in the kitchen.
I blare music when I do housework, as my neighbors do. When I do yard work too. Or other.
So I have a home Mini, and then my roommate has a home Mini, and so they keep getting confused. So like I'll be talking to mine, and they'll be talking to theirs. And it's like the crosstalk is really bad.
So why does that not have a formula? Would it be the same?
If you have two of them close together, it's kind of a toss. I have two about equidistance, and it's a toss-up which one I answer. And then it confuses my daughter and I, but it does a good job, I'd say 75% of the time, and we sound the same. So, but my 16-year-old daughter and I will mix it up a little. If you had two distinct voices, I think it'd do really good not mixing them up. Yeah, I say between the home and home Mini, they're both such wonderful things that they might be. Home turns are little friends. I have 4 little friends. 5 if we count the 3 I like it. In a 2-bedroom house. It's a big ranch sprawling 2-bedroom, but from one end to the other you can okay Google someone. They're not as good as a pet, but they're better than nothing. Like, they're not, AI is not a great companion, but I will say it's better than nothing. You can knock a little bit, 3% off of that being home alone feeling. At least Google can tell me the phase of the moon or whatever. Or I can tell it to call something.
Maybe we should just like.
Would you like to forfeit and let the next choice return?
You can come back when there are fewer choices.
So then that was number 2. So number 3 is online Miss Sky Tuner.
Oh, all right. Yeah, congratulations.
Yes.
I was trying to get her to join the live stream so that she can speak, but then it didn't work out. So I'm on Meetup chatting with her, so I'm just going to type it in. Well,
Yeah, we should.
I think she's watching.
Yeah. We could do a Google form and you could rank which prize you like the best in order. And so that way if you placed in your remote, we would already know your preference.
Oh.
You guys didn't know what the prizes were because I picked them up, some of them on the way over.
Yeah.
But I get better at things if I do them more. So the next hackathon, all the lessons learned.
Yeah, exactly. This is the first time I actually live stream something this interactive. I've done live stream where just one person is speaking, so it's like just the screen. So she won the Google Home. Do you want the big one or the small one? Google Home or Mini? It's funny because I'm talking to her on the live stream, but she's typing the reply.
Can you see it?
All right. So,
you
are.
I probably should.
Yeah, you know what? I will let you actually know.
There, now you can see that word.
Yeah, because I can see it here.
I don't mind.
Yeah. She's using it as a mirror. Yeah. Big one. So she wants the Google Home, the
big one.
proper. Right. So that makes every choice easier.
Congratulations.
All right.
Thank you.
So I'll bring it to Boulder then.
I hope to see that one in the store. Or in the, it's not a store, but I hope to see that one in the directory. Okay, so fourth place, Friends team.
Yay!
Yes, it's whichever you like.
I have this.
Yeah, I know. I want mine
To capture
So
our
you
live
can
stream
drink,
as well.
Yay, all right. Yay, congratulations. So we have still more prizes. Yes, and so next place is Heads Up. Yay!
Like I said, there's some advantage to showing up.
Yes. Yeah. And I'll tell you what, Everett, if you regret your decision for the next Step Fest, I'll get another one. So you can try.
I might actually take that headset.
Oh, yes, picture.
Can I pitch this?
You're supposed to be taking
Yay! All right.
What?
And then, this is a Galaxy S7. So it was nice. And once upon a time, yeah, and then so,
All right.
and then now it's your
Now there are fewer
selection,
choices,
so there's
so
fewer
it's
choices,
easier.
then you may take your pick of the last person.
Our Hello World application.
This was
All
really
right.
tough, you guys, too, because there was. Oh yes.
All right. Now she has fewer choices.
I really love how you guys are helping me remember to do this too.
Yay! All right. Hello.
Because especially if we're gonna start streaming and stuff.
Yeah.
Online.
These are the pranks.
Nice.
I hope that brings you hours of entertainment.
This is looking something different in you. Which I don't have.
Yay! Thank you so much for your participation and those of you live streaming too. Yay! Thank you, GDG Boulder.
Okay, I'm going to make it round and I'm going to say bye-bye and then I'm going to accomplish what I should. Bye-bye. Bye.
Hopefully we'll see you at the next hackathon. I think this needs to be a regular thing.
All right, bye.
Okay, now we'll cut the
See
live
you
stream.
at the next challenge.
Yeah, stop broadcast.
I still haven't written anything yet.
So when is the